abaturega ko dukoresha ibyo dukora kurinda abanyarwanda, kurinda igihugu cyacu, ko ari amabuye y'agaciro, nibo biba amabuye y'agaciro muri Kongo. Ibi bihugu bikize byo hanze byirirwa bivuga ubusa. Erega narababwiye, iyo bari aho batinyisha abantu bakazana ibintu human rights, bakazana ngo barashaka gutera ubwoba, ngo Kagame navuga ngo azamujyana, uzanjyana hese wowe? Wamvana he ko nzaba? Bagatangira sanctions, James Kabarebe, sanctions, officers, sanctions for what? You are just foolish, absolutely foolish. Anybody dares? Ugatanga lessons. Little boy, little girl, kunuko bava mu Europe cyangwa America cyangwa Canada, uratanga lessons. What lessons? What lessons does anybody have to give to me about my life, about my country, about my people? That is absolute stupidity. We cannot be driven on that basis. If there is anybody who has not understood the message you have given them over the years, well, we are waiting to see what you do. Anyway, why should people fear giving it a fight? You fear death? You fear to be killed? No, but you're only killed slowly and surely, and, as naked as you were born, and you go to your grave. Well, I would rather go to my grave giving it a fight. Is there anyone who will not find their ticket to that grave? There is not a single individual. Human beings, the rest, all of us. So how I go there matters. What you do, how you live, the life you live, whether short or long, matters. And for you to allow a fellow human being to treat you like nobody, like no value, why? Why would you accept it? Why can't you get this message over the 31 years we've been here fighting every day? Why? The only language you should understand is cooperation. So don't let no one be allowed to take us back years in history. Because then those who believe in God, what will you tell God? That where were you? Where were you when you allowed thugs to take over a country and run it down and kill people. Well, those are, I'm challenging those who believe in those things. I will not tell you which side I'm on, but I think those who believe in this accountability after life, you should really make sure you do the right things like these ones I'm talking about, so that when you are there and you are being asked to account. For me, I'm prepared with my notes in my pocket. When they say, hey, what did you do? I say, sir,